The secret to creating demand and getting buyers to pay significantly more for your home in this market is two-part. One is price bracketing, and the other is FOMO, fear of missing out. Creating demand are the two keys. Price bracketing. Simply put, let's say you want to get $360 for your home. What most agents neglect to do is they just slap it on the market at that price, not thinking about how does a buyer look for homes. Are they looking for homes from $327,400 to $363,899? Absolutely not. They typically look in $25,000 increments, meaning they're searching for homes in the $300 to $375 price range. So pricing your home at say $350 puts you as the obvious choice against your competition that's at $360 or $379.9 or some odd number. The second thing is hosting a mega open house where you draw in traffic, create a buzz and excitement the weekend that your home goes live. Being strategic with your pricing strategy and effective with creating a buzz for your mega open house event are the keys to being successful in this market's home sales. If you've got questions, please reach out to me, Gigi of Jax with Picket Home Advisors.